So it's Tuesday, November 20th, 7:40 in the morning, and I have yet to pack yet. I'm leaving to my backpacking adventure today at 2 p.m. and I have not started packing. I think I'm going to be stressed today. I think I'm going to be scrambling. Alright guys, so it's 9 o'clock and I've still yet to even start thinking about packing. My butt is getting kicked right now, and I know you guys asked, but I'm severely lactose intolerant, and I had a bite of cake, of my mom's cake last night without my lactose pills, and I'm paying for it this morning. So we'll see how long it takes for me to get up and actually pack. Alright guys, so it's noon and I have yet to start packing yet. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually what I'm going to be taking with me. I got my luggage, carry-on, pillow, shoes, name tag, scrubby towel, winter clothes because I'm going to be in snow country, Japan and Korea for a little over a month. 5 shirts, beanie, toothbrush, 5 shorts, bike supplies, no, I'm just kidding, camera supplies, and I got my self-centered stick and some socks, and my landlord gave me these socks. She said you don't have to wash them really ever, and so we're going to be testing that out. I'm not going to wash these socks for 4 months, and I'm going to wear them every single day. I'm just kidding, that's gross. I'll probably wash them sometime. I got my National Geographic power converter charger thing, and of course this phone, a GoPro, and my iPad so I can edit videos. So that is about it. This is all I'm taking for 3.5 months around Asia, and we'll see how well I survive.